morning, children. How are you, all of you? I hope all are doing good, right? So, welcome to sixth class, right? You all are completed fifth now, sixth class. So, introduction. My name is Janita. I am your mathematics teacher, right? In the sixth class, the mathematics first chapter. What is the chapter name? Do you see do you have the text books? Yes. So I think if anyone have the text book, take the text book. Okay. So if you don't have the text book, no need to worry. So we'll send the first chapter pics to the WhatsApp. Okay. What is our the first chapter in mathematics? That is knowing our numbers. What is the chapter name? Knowing, right? Knowing our numbers. This is the first chapter in sixth class, right? In a previous class, that means previous concept, you already know, right? Place value, face value, and how to write a number in a place value chart as well, right? That means positions of the numbers, right? Now in this class, you will learn comparing of the numbers. What is the concept that you will learn in this chapter? Comparing of the numbers, right? With the help of the positions of the digits as well, right? We'll use the positions. You already know the position. That means ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. These are the positions of the numbers, right? So based on, we use those concepts in while comparing the numbers, right? So I will explain through with one example, right? See, so I will take set of numbers. That means we'll take first the smaller, very smaller numbers. How many numbers here we have? The 4, right? From the 4, if I say which is the greatest one, which is the larger, that is 8 is the greatest number, and which is the smallest one, that is 1. 1 is the smallest one number from the given set of numbers, right? It is easy, right? While seeing only numbers, you can identify easily which is the smaller and which is the greater, right? But in case if they give the larger numbers, that means 3-digit number, 4-digit number, if number of digits same in the numbers, right? How will you identify which is the greater and which is the smaller one, right? So now we'll see. I will take the larger numbers. 9, 5, 4, right? So we have the 4 numbers. Those all are larger numbers, right? The number of digits are more. See. So from the set of numbers, you will identify which is the largest number and which is the smallest number, right? See. So what is the step means? First you will find the number of digits in the each number. How many digits are? 1, 2, 3. This complete value is called a number. Individually these are values are called digits. How many digits we have? 1, 2, 3. We have the 4 digits, right? How many digits we have? 4. 1, 2, 3. How many digits we have? 3. Here we have the 4 digits, right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. That means first we should identify the number of digits. If the number of digits are more compared to the number of digits other than the number, that number will become larger. See, in this we have the 3-digit number. That means this is smaller compared to these 3 numbers. While seeing only we can identify, right? Why? Because this has the very less number of digits, right? That is 3 only. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So in this we have the 4 digits. So which is the greater one? 3 numbers have the same number of digits. Now how will you identify? The procedure is, we'll check the positions of the digits, right? That is, what is the position of 9 in this thousands position, right? Thousands position in this number we have the digit 9. In this number thousands position we have the 9. That means from the left side first position you will check every time. Here what is the digit? 7. So 9 comma 9 comma 7. So in this which is the larger one? 9 is larger compared to the 7, right? That means these two numbers again we have the same number of digits. These two are the larger compared to this number, the last one, right? So these two are bigger. Now in these two also we have to identify which is the larger one, right? Again we compare the positions of the thousand, that we have the 9, the same digit. Next step you should compare the second position, that means here hundreds position, here also hundreds position. Here we have the 5, here we have the 4. Now which is the larger? Yes, 5 is the larger, right? What is the symbol? What we call this symbol? That is greater than. That means this open, two sides open bracket, right? This opens will always the bigger one. This one-ended closed ended side will have always the smaller number. This is the bigger. Okay. So this will become a larger from set of given numbers, right? This is the larger one. Now this will become a larger. Now we'll identify the smaller one, right? So identify the smaller one. Already we know, right? These two are the bigger compared to this number. We left only one number. That means this is only the smaller number, right? I hope clear how to identify the smaller and greater from the given set of numbers, right? So now we'll see one more example. If they given thousands position, hundred position also the same number of digits, right? See, observe the numbers. We have the 4 numbers, right? From the 4 number, you should identify the which is the greatest one. See, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4. That means each number has a 4 number of digits, right? That means equal number of digits. What is the first step I just now explained? That means if the number of digits are same in a given number, you will check the positions of the digit from the left side one by one, right? Now this is the thousands position. Thousands position, thousands each number, right? What is which digit has the thousands position in each number? That is 8. Common, right? Common. In all number also we have the in thousand position 8. That means all are in 8,000 numbers. Okay. So we can't identify exactly which is the larger one. Next step. What is the next step? Next you should compare the hundreds position from all the given numbers, right? What is the hundreds position? This is a thousand position digit. This is 100. Now in the 100 position also we have the 5 in all numbers. That means all are 8,000, all are in 500 number. The same equal. We can't identify which is the greatest one, right? Next. What is the next position? That is tens position, right? Here we have the 4, here also we have the 4, and here also we have the 4, and here we have the 3, right? In this 3 we have the 4 in tens place, here we have the 3. Now which is the bigger, which is the larger? 4, right? 4 is larger than compared to the 3. That means from the 4 numbers this will become the smaller. These 3 are the larger compared to this last one, right? Now in this last one also, from the last 3, now again you need to identify which is the greatest one. Greatest one, that means only the one, right? From the 3 it should be only one, which is the greatest. Now next position. next ones position, right? Here we have the 3, here we have 2, here we have the 1. 3 comma 2 comma 1. Now which is the larger? 3, right? 3 is larger compared to the 2 and 1. That means the given first number is the greatest number. You clear, right? If first step is you need to count the number of digits from the given numbers. If any number contains the more number of digits, right? Then that number will become the larger. If the numbers contain same number of digits, then we will check the positions of the digit. If it is thousands number, if it is 10,000 number, always you will check the positions from the left side. Okay. So whichever the positions contain the big digit, that will become a larger. I hope clear, right? Now identify the smaller. Easy, right? Because this remaining 3 are the 4 digits. The only one is all are 4, but in thousands position we have the 8, and hundreds position we have the 5. In tens position we have here 4, 4. Here we have the 3. That means 30's position. This will become the smaller one. I hope clear, right? Which is to identify the greatest and the smallest. The very small process, that is, you should first identify or you can count number of digits. Okay. If number of digits is more, that number will become a larger. If the all numbers contain same number of digits, then you will check the one by one positions of the digit, right? So I hope clear this one. To compare and to identify larger and smaller. Next thing is ascending order, right? Ascending order. Ascending order, that means increasing order, right? Ascending order, right? So that means increasing order, that means smaller to bigger one, right? From the given set of numbers, you will first identify the smaller one, next smaller one, next smaller one, like this. So just we will see the with example. First we will see very smaller numbers, right? 1, 3, 4, 5. We have the 4 numbers, which is a smaller, that is 1. Next 3 numbers, which is a smaller, that is 3. Next 2, which is a smaller, 4. Next, obviously, we left with the 5. This is the writing of the ascending order to the given numbers, right? That means increasing smaller to the larger. First smaller, next smaller, next. This is the writing the ascending order to given numbers, right? Similarly, if they given larger numbers, that means 3 or 4 digit numbers, right? Example. Right? See, we have the 4 numbers, right? First step already I told, right? So we have to count the number of digits. How many digits here we have? 4. How many digits here we have? 5. Here how many digits we have? 4. Here we have 3. Right? If which number is a less number of digits, that will become a smaller compared to the remaining numbers, right? Here 4 digit, here 5 digit, here we have the only 3 digit number, that will become the smaller. First I will write the 3 digit number only. This is the smaller. Now see, 3 numbers in this have the 5 digit. That means definitely this is bigger compared to these 2 numbers, right? Now in this 2, which is the smaller one? See, 2 numbers have the 4 digits, and thousands position we have 9, same. Again hundreds position we have the same 9 only, and tens position also we have the same, that is 8. Now ones position, here we have 0, here we have the 5. Compared to that means 0 and 5, which is a smaller one? 0, right? That means next smaller number is 9,980. Right? This we done and this is also done. Next, in this two, which is the smaller? This one only. Easily we can say why. If this number has 4 digit and this number has a 5 digit. Now next smaller will become 9,985. Right? Next, left with 98,980. I hope clear, right? So ascending order means you will write increasing order, smaller to the bigger one. First you will identify the smallest one, next smaller, this given compared to the given numbers, right? So this is about the writing of the ascending order, that means smaller to the bigger. I hope clear. The same, next you will learn the descending order, right? What descending order? That is exactly opposite to the ascending order, right? What is ascending order? Smaller to the bigger, increasing order. Similarly, descending order, right? That means decreasing of number every time. Sorry, descending means decreasing. That means first set of numbers you will identify the larger number. Next, comparing remaining numbers, you will identify the larger one. Every time you will first take out the greatest number, that means larger. See, first example, we'll write few numbers. See, I written 4 numbers. Observe the 4 numbers. Descending means bigger to smaller, larger to smaller. First, you will identify the larger number from set of numbers, right? So, before finding the larger number, what is the first step? While comparing the numbers, you should count the number of digits. How many digits here we have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the 4 digits. How many digits here we have? 4 digits. How many digits we have here? 3 only. Here we have 3. Right? So comparing 4 numbers, that means from the 4 number, this 2 will become larger than compare this 2. Right? That's why, because this 2 has the 4 digits. Right? From this 2 also, you should identify which is the larger one. Which is the larger one? What is the step? If number of digits are same in a given 2 numbers, what is the next step to compare which is the larger one? That is comparing the positions, right? Thousands position here we have 5. What is the thousands position number here? We have the 7. Which is the larger one? 7. This is the symbol you need to represent. 7 is the bigger. That means comparing these 4 numbers, this will become the largest number. That I will write 7,245. No need to that. So this is done. Next, 1, 2, 3. Compare these 3 numbers and write which is the largest one. 1, 2, 3. So this will become larger one. Why? Because these 2 numbers have 3 digits. So this will have the 4 digits. That means 5, 7, 6, 3 will become larger. Now this is also done, right? Now we left with the 2 numbers. In these 2, which is the larger one? Again, we have the same number of digits, that is 3 only, right? Now same number of digits. What is the next step? That is, you need to compare the positions from the left side. Here the 100 position we have 7. The another number we have the 100th position, that is 8. Which is the larger one? This 8 is the larger. 853. Now the left value, that is 748. This is about the comparing numbers and writing the descending order. That means bigger to the smaller, right? I hope you clear descending order. First you should need to identify the larger from the given numbers. You write, and remaining another numbers, again you will identify the largest The every time the same procedure to end up the numbers, right? Bigger to the smaller, right? So this is about the descending order. So in the first exercise, you have the first question, that is from the given set of numbers, you need to identify which is the greatest and which is the smallest. And the second question is to write the ascending order, next descending order, right? Those three questions. Next, one more, to put the to put appropriate symbol. That is, in the question they will give the numbers and you need to put the less than or greater than. This type of question they will ask. One question I will write here. See. See. So like that question they will ask. They will give the two numbers and they will given middle blank place, right? In this blank place you need to put the symbol. Which symbol will suit here? That. So when observe the symbol, the two sides open will write the larger one side ended side will write the smaller one, right? Now which is the smaller and which is the larger? From the two numbers, which is the smaller? Observe the number. So we have a 4 digit. Here also we have the 4 digit, right? And what is the next step? Positions. Thousands position we have 8, same. And 100 position we have the 7, same. Next position 3. Here we have the 4. 3 is the smaller, 4 is the greater. That means we can write this symbol. So two sides open. That means this side is larger number, one side ended side, the symbol closed here, right? Two sides, the joint point closed, this side will always smaller. So this symbol shows this is the larger number, this is the smaller in this two, right? I hope clear. This is the one type of questions in your exercise. This is the fourth bit exercise. Next, you have one more type questions in your exercise, that is they will give the number and you need to write the number in words, right? Suppose, right, what is this number? 7,000, you know already, right? This is ones, tens, hundred, thousands position, that means 7,425. They will give the number, you need to write in words, that is 7,000, right? 400, right? 420, so 25. This is one bit in your exercise. Next, any number, so they will give the number and you need to write the number in words, right? Next, and the reverse order also they can give sometimes, right? They will give the number in a verse, you need to write in a numerical form, right? Suppose I will write in verse C. Yeah. So now I written one number in words, right? See, 65,000, 70, 208, right? So this in the words they given, now you need to write in a words, right? 65,000. After 10,000 you need to put the commas. Next, 70 to 100, right? 8. 70 to 108. 8. This is the number I written in words, right? One question they will give in a numbers and you need to write in words, or they can give the number in words and you need to write in numerals number, right? I hope clear, right? So next one more question in the first exercise based on this comparing numbers. That is, they give the number of digits. You need to write the numbers, right? See, they will give the digits. The digits are, see, yeah, 4, 0, 3, 7. These 4 digits, right? Using this 4 digit, listen carefully, we need to form the number. I already told, right? Suppose, yeah, this 370 is a number. What is 3? 3 is digit in the number. 370 is the number and 3 is the digit, right? Here, no doubt. So, using this 4 digit, you need to form the 4 digit number. What is the question? Using these digit, you need to write 4 digit number. To write 4 digit number. So you need to write the 4 digit number, right? First I will take the, what is the first step? I will take the bigger digit, right? 7. Next 4, 3, 0, right? I using this 4 digits, don't confuse, right? I am putting the commas separately. This 4 digits, right? Using this 4 digits, I written one number, that is 7430, right? Next, another number. This is also same, right? Next, right? Observe the pattern I am writing, what the positions I am changing. So, which is the largest 7? I taken the 7 as in the thousands position. Next, hundreds position I put at the 4. Next, tens position 3, 0. Now, these two positions I put at the same constant. I changed these two only. The changes of the position, right? 3, 0, 0, 3. Just I changed these two only the positions, right? Again, 7 is fixed only. Just 3 here, second position I fixed here. 4, 0, 0, 4. 7 common, I fixed here 0, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, right? This is the 1. How many numbers we got here? 6, right? Similarly, see. Next larger number is 4. I am taking the 4, 7, 3, 0. Again 4 is fixed, 7 is also fixed, just I change the last 2 digits, right? Next 4 is fixed, next 3, 7, 0. Again 3 is fixed, 0, 7 I am changing the positions, right? 0, 3, again 0 fixed, 7, 3, right? How many these are got with the 6. Starting position with 7 we got the 6 numbers. Starting position with 4 we also got the 6. Similarly, one more 6 numbers also we get, right? What is the starting position? Next number we will take next, which is a greater one? 3, right? 3, 7, 4, 0. Again 3 fixing, 7 also fixed, just 0, 4 I am changing the positions, right? Next 3. So 3 is fixed, I am changing position 7. 4 is fixed, 0, 7, 3. Next 0 is fixed, 7, 4, right? With 3 as the fixing, how many numbers we got? That is 6, right? So here last question in the exercise, just I am again explaining. See, using this 4 digit, you need to write the 4 digit number. That means you need to form the 4 digit number using these digits. The digit should not be repeated. I should not get the same numbers, right? What I did first, the larger digit I taken, that is I fixed in the thousands position. Next 4 is in the hundreds position, I fixed just 2 digits, I exchanged the positions, right? Again 3 is fixed here, 4004, just 2 digits I exchange. Next here I put the 0, 4 3 3 4, right? With 7 in thousands position, we got the 6 numbers, right? Similarly, 4 taken in thousands position, I fixed it, and just remaining 3 now digits. 7 is fixed 3003. Again 3 is fixed 7007. Again 0 is fixed 3773. How many numbers we got? That is also 6. Similarly, next, which is a greater 3. 3 I fixed in the thousands position. Next 7 is fixed 0440. See, observe 700. Every time the number 2 times is the positions are fixed, right? How many we got here? 3 as a thousand position, 6. So using 4 digits, in the 4 digit number we got the 18, right? I hope clear. You may get, we can fix 0 in the thousands position also, right? You may get thinking that we get more 6 numbers using 0 in thousands position, right? So that will not possible, right? See, 1 will I write here. So I am erasing these numbers. If you want, take the pic, by pause the video, take the pic also, okay? So don't worry, I will give the notes for also this answer. If you need, if you want to listen once more, you can watch again this video, or you can take the pic, stop, pause the video and take the picture, okay? Just to explain. How many numbers we got? 6, right? So why 0 we can't put in the thousands position? I will see. 4 digit only, right? If I put 0 here, 743, right? You thinking like that only, right? So 4 digit I written here, 4 digit. Is this 4 digit number? Observe the number. We have the 4 digit, but is it 4 digit number? Right? No. If I say read this number, how will you read? 743. What about the 0? Right? 0 does not has any value to the left of given number, right? Suppose if I take 5, if I write 0 here, it will read 5 only. That means 0 does not has a value to the left side of the number. If I write 5 to the right of this 5, 0, this will, if I say what is this number, it will read 15. So with the 0, with 0 also we can form 6 numbers using in thousands position. We can put the 0, we can form 6 more numbers, but those numbers will become only 3 digit number. Those will not become a 4 digit number, right? That's why we got the using 4 digit numbers 18. How many we got total? 18 numbers. This is about the forming the numbers using digit, right? Not only 4, if given 3 digit, if they given 5 digits also, you will form similarly same. First step, which is the larger that you put in the particular position. That means 1000, or if it is 4 digit, you get the thousands. If it is 5 digit, you get the 10,000 position, right? Every time the last 2 position change and again fix. Okay, I hope clear. Right, this is the last question in your first exercise based on comparing the numbers, right? So you will get the worksheet based on this first exercise, okay, in WhatsApp group, okay. I hope you clear. What we just, I revise all concepts what we learned today. We learn comparing of the numbers. That means set of the number. They will give the set of numbers. You need to identify which is the greater, which is the smaller, right? That is one. Next, ascending order. That means smaller to big. You need to arrange. Next, descending order. That means larger to smaller. And putting the appropriate symbol, which that is the what are the symbol? That is less than or greater than, right? And next, they will give the number, you need write in the words. That type of one question. And they will give the number itself in words. You need write the number in numeral forms, okay. And arranging the numbers using the digits. These are the questions in the first exercise, okay. So I hope clear. Next we'll see in the next class. Okay. So do now I will send the worksheet also. Find the answers, solve the answer. You will get every question answer, because if you clear all this concept, you can able to solve the all questions. Okay. If you still have the doubts, you can post your doubts in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you.